use of would have. I'm little bit confused about would have.
Would have.
Yeah, ma'am.
Uh, Kiran or Kamal,
Yes, ma'am.
can you just help her?
In which one, ma'am? Which topic?
Yeah, she will tell you.
Kiran, will you
Chaya?
make me
Yes.
understand? Yeah, Kiran, will you make me understand how we can use the would have?
Would have. Ma'am,
Yeah,
you told
uses
in
of
class also.
Sorry.
what now?
Ma'am,
I am
you told.
forgetting.
What?
I also forget
So
at what
if
topic.
if
Would
you
have.
can if you can help me, so you can.
Chaya, I also forget about that topic. Would have. Would have.
Okay.
My God.
No, I have not done the revision, no, on that one topic.
And Kamal, but why are you saying this? Would have, because would is a model, and there's no need to add have in it. So why are you saying would have, Chaya? Chaya, hello, hello, guys. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm asking to Chaya that would is a model,
Yes, ma'am.
and she is saying would have. Chaya, give me the answer. Hello. I
Don't know
think she
where
has
she
some.
is gone.
She has, I think, network issue or something else. So if you wanna know about wood, so I'm just
Hello.
repeating. Yeah, Chaya. Chaya, I'm
Yeah,
saying
ma'am.
that. Hmm.
I'm asking to you because ma'am, me and Shivani was practicing of the models
Hmm.
which with each other by the sentences. So
Hmm.
Shivani and me was little bit confused about the would have.
You got stuck that time. Okay, so I'm
Yeah.
repeating wood.
Okay, ma'am.
The only would model word
Okay.
is only would. So would
Okay,
is
ma'am.
used as the past equivalent of will. ये past equivalent होता है will का. जब हमें बात करनी होती है कोई past equivalent की, तब हम will का use कर लेते हैं इसमें. Like I said that, मैंने कहा था I would come the next morning या the next day. मैंने ये बात कही थी कि मैं ये करूंगा, मैं अगले दिन आऊंगा. तो ये past equivalent show करता है. First इसका रूल ये है. The second rule of would is it indicate or it shows the past habit or characteristic. ये past habit show करेगा या फिर characteristic show करेगा. For example, Raman would take a walk every morning in the local park. ये past habit थी उसकी. Okay, Chaya? And the other
Yes.
rule is sometime would is used to make a polite request. Politely request अगर हमें किसी से करनी है then हम would का use कर सकते हैं. जैसे would you please pass me the paper?
Okay,
Would you
ma'am.
please lend me your pen? Lend
Yes,
word आप
ma'am.
जानते हैं ना?
Yeah, ma'am.
Would you please lend me your pen? क्या आप मुझे अपना पेन दे सकते हैं? तो जब हमें एक polite request करनी होती है तब भी हम would का use कर देते हैं.
Yeah, ma'am.
तो ये इसके rules थे. If you want to note it down, so I will just tell you. But I taught you this thing in a very clear way, and you that time you made a note on that. I think so. Do you want to note it down, Chaya?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, sorry, I have some background sound.
Do you want to note it down? आप इसको लिखना चाहते हो? Because मैं ये बोल रही थी जब मैंने इसको पढ़ाया था, क्लियर करा था, तो मैंने इसके नोट्स लिखवाए हुए थे. अगर आप फिर से इसको लिखना चाहते हैं, आपके पास नोट्स नहीं है, तो मैं उसको रिपीट कर सकती हूँ.
No, ma'am, I have already noted down it.
Okay, but you are asking only. Okay, fine. I think they won't join the class, so I'm just continue with the new topic. And the new topic, firstly, I just want to ask something. I have a question to you guys. Listen to me very much carefully. I have two options. Okay. First option is I need an advice from you. Getting? I need and advice from you. And the second option is I need some advice from you. Which one is correct?
Ma'am, unadvised.
An advice is correct.
Yeah, ma'am.
Who's saying?
Ma'am, me,
Chaya.
Chaya.
And Kiran?
Ma'am, first one.
First one. An advice?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Kamal? Which one is correct? An advice or the second option? Kamal, an advice or some advice? I need an advice from you and I need some advice from you.
I need some advice from you.
Some advice, the second option. Okay. Sukhvinder, which one is correct? Which one is correct? Only give me the answer in very much a hurry. One or two?
An advice.
An advice. Okay. Kuljit? Kuljit?
Ma'am, first.
First one, an advice. Nikita
Yes, ma'am.
Dangwal, welcome back to our classes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Nikita. How are you?
I'm fine.
What's wrong
So
with you,
many days.
Nikita? So many
Ma'am,
days.
so many days she is coming.
Yeah,
Long time.
that's why I was welcoming her.
Wedding.
Sorry?
Ma'am, I am busy in wedding.
In friends
Wedding.
wedding.
Okay,
In
yeah,
friends wedding.
I saw that pictures.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I also see the
Okay.
tattoo
Now
picture.
you are free, totally free, and
Yes,
daily you can join the class.
definitely, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So only Kamal said the second option is right. And really the second option is correct. I need some advice from you. Why? So guys, this is the today's topic of the class. Because advice is an uncountable noun. हम इसको fingers पे count नहीं कर सकते हैं. Advice क्या है? एक noun है और हम उसको फिंगर्स पे काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो हम उसके लिए ए और एन का यूज नहीं करते हैं. हम ए और एन का यूज कब करते हैं? जब एक नाउन होता है काउंटेबल. काउंटेबल और अनकाउंटेबल नाउन आपको पता है क्या होते हैं? काउंटेबल और क्या होते हैं? अनकाउंटेबल. काउंटेबल नाउन्स क्या होते हैं और अनकाउंटेबल क्या होते हैं? पता है किसी को?
Yeah, ma'am.
क्या होता है?
Ma'am, countable noun, we can count them like 5 books and 5 pens. And ma'am, uncountable, some water, some milk, some advice.
यस. तो अनकाउंटेबल वो होता है जिसको हम अपने फिंगर टिप्स पर काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं. वी कैन नॉट बी काउंटेड और कॉल्ड, दैट्स व्हाई वी कॉल्ड इट अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. ठीक है. तो एडवाइस एक ऐसी चीज है जिसको हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं. अब हम तो किसी से एडवाइस कहेंगे, आप सामने वाला एडवाइस देगा तो एडवाइस हम काउंट करेंगे, 1 एडवाइस, 2 एडवाइस, 3 एडवाइस नहीं. तब हम क्या कहेंगे? उसने हमें कुछ एडवाइस दी थी. तो ये होता है काउंटेबल अनकाउंटेबल. तो मैं आपको ये क्यों बता रही हूँ? मैं इसलिए बता रही हूँ क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा टाइम ऐसा होता है हम ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स इसमें कर देते हैं और हमको रियलाइज नहीं होता है कि हमें वहां क्या वर्ड यूज करना था. So that's why I am telling you this topic today, countable or uncountable noun. Firstly, we need to write the definition of it in a simple way. So the countable noun is noun which can be counted or a noun which cannot be uncounted or which cannot be counted. Uncountable noun. बस simply हमें एक बात लिखनी है, can be counted और cannot be counted. कुलजीत एंड सुखविंदर.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या होते हैं काउंटेबल नाउन्स और अनकाउंटेबल्स?
काउंटेबल्स नाउन जो उंगलियों पर गिने जाते हैं,
जिसको हम इजीली काउंट कर लेते हैं ऑन फिंगर टिप्स। और अनकाउंटेबल,
उनको उंगलियों पर नहीं गिना जाता।
उनको गिना नहीं जा सकता है, सिर्फ उनको बताया जा सकता है इन क्वांटिटी। तो काउंटेबल के अगर मैं आपसे कुछ एग्जांपल बोलूं कि काउंटेबल नाउन ऐसे क्या होते हैं जिसको हम काउंट कर देते हैं, वो क्या चीजें होंगी?
मैम लाइक 1 kg दाल।
वो काउंटेबल होगी? वो क्वांटिटी में होगी,
सॉरी।
वो अनकाउंटेबल होता है। दैट्स व्हाई वी पुट 1 kg और 500 ग्राम्स, हम उसको नहीं काउंट कर सकते हैं, है ना?
मैम मनी
मनी काउंटेबल हो सकता है, हम उसको काउंट कर सकते हैं। बुक्स, बॉटल्स, और क्या होता है, पेंसिल्स, ये सारी चीजें हम काउंट कर लेते हैं। और अगर अनकाउंटेबल की बात करें तो उसमें क्या आएगा? छाया।
मैम लाइक मैम क्वांटिटी।
क्वांटिटी में क्या चीजें लेते हैं हम?
गिव मी सम वाटर।
वाटर आ जाएगा उसके अंदर। लिक्विड की चीजें सब आ जाएंगी। अगर हम बात करते हैं वाटर की, तो लिक्विड वाली चीजें हम सब ले सकते हैं उसके अंदर। मटेरियल हम सब ले सकते हैं उसके अंदर,
क्या मैम?
है ना? और क्या हो सकता है उसमें? लाइक
मैम
शुगर
क्वालिटी भी
होता है।
व्हाट मैम?
सॉरी,
मैम क्वालिटी। मैम फॉर एग्जांपल ब्यूटीफुल।
हाँ, वो ब्यूटीफुल, हम किसी की मतलब सुंदरता को काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं, राइट। और जैसे हमारे किचन के सारे ग्रोसरीज होती है, शुगर हुआ, सॉल्ट हुआ, स्पाइसेस हुए, हम उसको काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं, है ना? तो ये सब होता है काउंटेबल और अनकाउंटेबल। और इसको पता होना हमें जरूरी होता है, क्योंकि ये ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं जिसका हम यूज तो करते हैं, लेकिन ग्रामेटिकली हम उसको गलत वे में बोल देते हैं। जैसे कि अगर मैं आपको एक सेंटेंस बोलूं और उसमें कहूं कि एक प्रॉपर इसमें क्या वर्ड होगा, तब आप मुझे बताइएगा। ध्यान से सुनिए पहले आप। पीपल अटेंडेड द फंक्शन, ये क्वेश्चन है मेरा। पीपल अटेंडेड द फंक्शन एंड द ऑप्शंस आर अ फ्यू, अ लिटिल और मच। कौन सा इसमें सही लग रहा है? People attended the function and the options are a few, a little, much.
मैम a few.
Again, Nikita answer is a few. Chaya, what's your answer?
Please repeat the sentence.
Sentence is people attended the function and the options are a few, a little, much.
Ma'am,
Thinking.
yeah, ma'am, I'm thinking.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Kamal?
much.
Much. Okay, your answer is much. Kamal, what is the correct answer of it?
Ma'am, much people.
Much people. Okay, fine. Kamal, what's your answer?
A word, ma'am. The voice is not coming.
My voice is not clear. Okay, my question is people attend the function. ये एक question है and the options are
Yes.
a few, a little, much. Which option
Few.
is correct?
A future.
Few. Okay, your answer is a few. Kiran, what's your answer?
Yes, sir. Not much.
Much. Okay, Chaya and you said much, and Kamal and Nikita said a few. Sukhvinder,
मैम a few.
a few. Sure. Don't go by others. किसी के बारे में नहीं अभी हमें सोचना है कि उसने a few बोला है तो हम a few बोल दें। अपना एक आंसर हो सकता है आपका सही हो।
Yes मैम, I'm sure.
Oh, you're sure. Kuljit, what's your answer?
Much.
Much. Okay, good. But your answer is wrong. Pupil को हम count कर सकते हैं। Yeah. A few people attended the function. Few answer is correct. Few option is correct. Pupils इतने होते हैं जिनको वो countable हो जाते हैं। Guys, right or wrong? Then the correct option is a few. तो इसमें जो common word होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? इसका common word होता है few, little, much, many. उससे हम अपने सेंटेंस को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं। गॉट इट? अगर काउंटेबल है देन हम ऐड कर देंगे उसमें फ्यू हो सकता है, मैनी हो सकता है। तो जिनको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं तो हम उनके लिए ऐसे वर्ड लेंगे जो काउंटेबल होंगे, जो शो करेंगे हाँ ये चीज काउंटेबल है। लेकिन अनकाउंटेबल के लिए जैसे वर्ड थे सम, मच, तब वो यूज करेंगे हम। तो सोचना है क्या चीजें इसके अंदर काउंटेबल है और क्या अनकाउंटेबल है। माय सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज sugar should be added to the cake. Question is sugar should be added to the cake and the options are a few, many, a little, much.
Much.
Much. Who's saying much?
Nikita.
Nikita saying much. Okay. Kamal? Sugar should be added to the cake. A few, many, a little, much.
Few sugar can be added in a
Your answer is few, Kamal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What's your answer?
Ma'am, option is much and little and few.
Options are a few, many, a little, much.
Ma'am, much.
Much sugar should be added to the cake. Much sugar, बहुत सारी शुगर मिला देंगे। वैसे तो हम क्वांटिटी के लिए बोल सकते हैं much, लेकिन अगर बात करते हैं केक की तो हम a little भी बोल सकते हैं, है ना। लेकिन few बोला था कमल ने, तो कमल यहाँ few नहीं आएगा
मैम, वो काउंटेबल नहीं है ना,
वो काउंटेबल नहीं है। ओके।
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
और क्या हो सकता है ऑप्शन क्वेश्चन इसके? कुछ क्वेश्चंस अपने आप से बनाते हैं। I bought book of न्यूरोलॉजी, तो इसके ऑप्शंस होंगे ए सम, many. I bought blank book of neurology. Yeah, I'm repeating. I bought blank book of neurology, and the options are A, some, or few.
मैम सम।
I bought blank book of neurology.
Ma'am, could you please repeat the options?
Options are A, some, or few. सिंपल है
मैम, few.
काउंटेबल है और ए बुक।
मैम, few.
बुक नहीं बोला, बुक।
मैम, few.
ए, सिंपल ए।
Many.
Some.
What?
Some.
I'm saying the answer A. I bought a book. The correct option is A. Okay. Okay. The another question is. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. The another question is two, TOO2. Options इसके बीच में आएंगे। Two blank cooks spoil the broth. Okay.
Ma'am,
And the option.
hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you type the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, because somewhere your voice is breaking in between.
Actually, I have some network issue today. Okay, don't worry. Actually, what we'll do, I can make the poll on Telegram.
Okay, ma'am.
मैं इसका पोल बना सकती हूँ टेलीग्राम पे, देन आप वहां आंसर कर सकते हो।
ओके मैम।
ओके मैम।
वहां इजी रहेगा, अभी यहाँ पे टाइप होगा फिर वहां टाइप होगा, लेंथी प्रोसेस।
या मैम
तो इसको हाँ, मैं वहां टाइप करूंगी, पोल बनाएंगे, देन हम इसका क्विज वहां खेलते हैं।
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
So guys, do you have some question, or you can make some question on this countable or uncountable noun?
Yes, ma'am. We will.
Nikita can make.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Nikita, ask a question.
1 minute. I am thinking about question.
Oh, she's thinking. Thinker she is. You still thinking? Kamal, you can think also. Shaya,
हेलो
what
Yes,
are the
ma'am.
option? What are the option of your question?
मैम
Can I
ऑप्शन
get?
मैम
हाँ.
ऑप्शन आर मैम एंड सम
A or some?
या मैम
Okay. Can I get blank glass of water? A or some? So you can
मैम
ask the answer
मैम
to
यू आल्सो
anybody.
सर इन आंसर
Sorry.
मैम यू आल्सो गिवन द आंसर
Okay, the last I will give at the
या
last.
मैम या मैम
Firstly, ask to the like student. Who will give the answer? Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Nikita. What's your answer? Like Chaya sent a question.
Ma'am, I have not heard the question.
No need to hurt because she typed it down.
Okay, ma'am.
In the message box, you can see the question of Chaya. And the option A or some.
Get ma'am.
Okay, your answer is A.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and Kamal? Another question she has sent.
Would you like to take?
Like to take a blank picture with me? Nice question. Chaya, firstly ask the answer of the question.
या मैम
Hmm.
हु विल गिव मी आंसर
Yeah, it's up to you.
मैम या मैम मैम सम एंड फ्यू कैन बी हेलो
Hello.
हेलो मैम
Yes, Chaya?
मैम आर यू लिसनिंग मी
Yeah, I'm listening.
मैम इट अप टू यू वी कैन मैम यूज सम एंड फ्यू
No, I'm just saying that you have sent the question. Okay. Now, firstly, ask the answer of this question. Because you have sent two questions. And
Yes,
only Nikita said the answer of it. Firstly, ask the answer to everyone. So they will give you the answer. Then you can ask the another question.
And firstly, I have to make the understand the question to them.
Yeah.
I'm asking a question to you all of you. क्या आप some pictures मेरे साथ लेना पसंद करोगे? And the
Hi, your voice is breaking.
And options is some and few, oblique and a. It's up to you. Hello? Hello? Hello, Kuljit?
Chaya? Chaya?
Yes, yes, Kiran.
My answer is some.
Yeah, some is correct.
Chaya, what is the first one answer? A.
First one answer, yeah, A. Because a glass of water. Water in a glass,
Okay.
so I can count the water in milliliter.
Okay.
So, and
Today
second,
Shivani is not taking class. Shivani is not taking class.
C has network issue.
Okay.
And second is up to you. You want to few and you want to some. So some is correct answer by given by the Kuljit.
I am also giving the same answer, sir.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
you can also give the question.
What?
Nikita has put some
Okay.
question.
Deep
Nikita has given some
thinker,
question.
deep thinker sended a question finally. Thank you, Nikita. So, Nikita, firstly make them understand, and after that, you can ask the answer to anyone.
So the
Okay.
question is, there is dash juice on the table. The options are some, much, little. So
Juice,
answer.
Nikita Dangwal. Juice is not in any jar, any mug.
I am talking about the juice is in the table.
Okay. Some.
We read the question carefully, then answer.
I'm reading, but I am asking
Okay.
you.
Okay. Firstly, read them properly.
I have read already.
Okay, good. Answer it then.
Some is my answer.
Nikita,
Yeah.
from my side, some is the answer. There is some juice on the table.
Kamal Milkhani. Where is Kamal?
He's here.
He is not
He
answering
is
the
here,
question.
but he is not speaking.
Yeah, not answering. Now
He
he has
left.
left. I think he has some network issue. Day before yesterday, he was facing the same problem. You can ask to Kuljit and Sukhvinder also.
Kuljit and Sukhvinder answer this question.
My answer is some.
And Kuljit?
Nikita, I'm Kuljit.
Acha. Okay.
Sukhvinder.
Okay. Ma'am, the answer is correct. The answer is some.
The correct answer. What was that? Some.
Ma'am, some. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Nikita, what is the right answer of this question?
Ma'am, some.
Some.
Ma'am, there is some
Okay.
juice on the table, ma'am, because ma'am, the juice is put in the table. That's why there is no.
We cannot count them.
Count
We
them.
cannot count the juice. हम juice को नहीं count कर सकते हैं. That's why we are saying some. कुछ है वहाँ पे. अब हम ये नहीं count कर सकते कितना है वो. Okay.
Yes.
Chaya question, like Chaya is asking, there are blank people in the meeting. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. And ma'am,
The options.
some, oblique much, oblique few people.
Okay.
So I would like to tell Kiran Kholia, what is the correct answer? Hello, Kiran.
Yes, Chaya.
What is the answer you want to give?
Few?
What is the answer do you want? Few.
Yes.
Okay.
It's correct.
And Kuljit? Yeah, and Kuljit?
My answer is much.
Okay. Or Sukhbinder?
My answer is much.
And Nikita Dangwal?
The answer is few.
Yeah. And correct answer is few because we can count the people. There is a meeting and they are attending the meeting. There are few people. We can count them. So
Okay.
and what the much we can't count. Much will use in uncountable.
Right. Right, Chaya. We can count them. People
Yeah.
को हम count कर सकते हैं. That's why we are saying it countable noun.
Yeah, ma'am.
और उनको हम count कर लेंगे. Then हम उनको बोल देंगे few people in the meeting. Few is correct. Okay. So guys, I hope the countable or uncountable noun is clear to you all. And the other option I will send you in Telegram, so you will able to answer all the question. Whatever I will make the poll on Telegram, so you will understand better then.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So guys,
Yes,
I said, Sukhvinder or Kuljit yesterday to share some vocabs word here. Kuljit, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Kuljit, do you have some unique vocab word with you?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या आपके पास आपने कुछ vocabs word find किए हैं हमारे लिए?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So just share your vocabs word here. Yes?
Ma'am, I typing.
Yeah, you can type. आप type भी कर सकती हैं उसको. type भी सकती नहीं, आप करेंगी और आप उसको pronounce भी करके बताएंगी.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, with example.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Chaya.
Ma'am, have you seen my activity on the Telegram?
What was that? What activity, Chaya?
Ma'am, I have make a paragraph on conversation between two friends. I have sent it. on
Yeah,
Telegram.
conversation of two friend. Yeah, I saw that, and it was correct. And Kulji signed it a paragraph, and there with I'm sorry, so many mistakes you did, and no
Okay.
one.
Sukhvinder also signed, ma'am.
Sukhvinder.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Sukhvinder also signed some like paragraph, but Kuljit paragraph. There's
Ma'am,
lot
so
of
many mistakes
mistakes,
are there.
but you didn't correct. If you know the mistake, so like it's
Ma'am,
your
yeah.
responsibility.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, later
Yes,
on I
ma'am.
will
Yes,
see.
ma'am. What?
Ma'am, I will correct the sentence later on in Telegram
Okay, fine.
after class.
Okay, Kuljit is sharing the vocabs word. Please focus on the vocabs word. Kuljit, firstly pronounce the word. आप उसको pronounce करके बताइए क्या है ये?
carcass जानवरों का मरा हुआ शरीर.
Carcass. Okay.
Ma'am, could I share the vocabs?
Yeah, if you want, so you can.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, may I start?
No, firstly, actually, I gave the responsibility to Kulji that she will have to share some vocab word. Only 5 she's sharing. After that, you can. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So Kuljit, can you just give me the give us the example on it? कोई भी एक example कैसे हम इसका use कर सकते हैं?
Yesterday, policeman found a carcass body of animals.
Please आप type कर दीजिए. Nikita, you are not using Telegram. Why so?
Ma'am, from now I used to.
Today on you will do this. Okay,
Yes,
actually
ma'am.
we are doing so much activities there, and daily Sheetal is sending many vocabs word, a unique one.
Okay, ma'am.
And yesterday she made a poll on some question, and everybody can make the poll. Everybody can ask the a question to any like in Telegram. Yesterday, policeman found a carcass body of animals. Okay. Second word, Kuljit.
Bob झुकना.
Bow means झुकना.
झुकना.
और Chaya?
Hello. Yes,
Chaya,
ma'am.
please handle the class. I'll be back in 2 minutes.
Okay, ma'am. And Kuljit, will you give me any example of verb?
Chaya, which sound is coming from your background?
Yeah. Yeah, I have some background sound.
Here was because the inter.
Yeah, you can give me example like. Firstly, tell me in Hindi.
I will not understand in English.
I am understanding in English, but I am asking in Hindi.
I'm just joking.
Yeah.
Chaya, you have sent me message yesterday.
Intel.
What?
Could you type the sentence?
सदा
Type
बड़ों
the
का समान रुक कर करना चाहिए.
Okay. So you can
Could you
say,
type the word, please?
Kuljit, you can say we respect the elders by the bow of head. हमें सर झुका के बड़ों की respect करनी चाहिए.
इज्जत करनी चाहिए.
Yeah, इज्जत.
Chaya, today you are calling now? Yesterday
Yeah.
you have put it in message.
Yeah, I am calling. And Kuljit, third one is drop means
फंसना.
what?
फंसना.
थकना.
फंसना.
Yeah, थकना ना. Tired.
No, फंसना. किसी की बातों में फंसना.
Oh, फंसना. Okay. Please make a example on it and type.
Should not stop anywhere words.
Yeah.
किसी की बातों में नहीं फंसना चाहिए.
And type the sentence your example. Kujit, are you typing? Hello?
Yes, I typing.
Okay, type it.
Chaya, how your morning is going on?
My morning is going good. I'm sleeping
What are
too
you
much.
doing?
I'm sleeping too
Oh
much.
my god. Oh my god, you are sleeping too much.
But that's why I'm taking medicine now. So that's why.
Okay.
I woke up 7 o'clock. Then I go for question up. Then I move the floor.
In morning, you wake up at 7 o'clock.
No. I woke up.
Okay.
Then I move the floor.
I woke up at 4 o'clock. Or you can say 5.
Kuljit, you will have to also put a subject before the should. Okay. Like Kuljit. Hello.
Yes, I'm listening.
तुमने लिखा है कि किसी की बातों में नहीं फंसना चाहिए, तो
Yes.
इसे तुमने एक सब्जेक्ट लगाना है इससे पहले। यू शुड नॉट ड्रॉप एनी वंस वर्ड। ओके, पुट
I
पुट
should
बिफोर,
not throw any word.
यू हैव टू पुट अ सब्जेक्ट, you have to put a subject before it, like you have to put you या we. Okay, and fourth one is firstly correct it. Okay, it means
Copy.
please type it, means party.
Copy.
Papi. Papi.
Yes.
Your voice is breaking now, so I am facing some problem in your voice.
Kulji, what is the meaning in Hindi?
Papi.
Okay.
All the 5 share.
Ma'am, this is fourth one.
Fourth one. Okay.
Could you please type the example of sinful? Hello, Kuljeet.
I think she's typing.
You are typing, Kuljeet? Yes. Okay, type.
सिंफुल हो गया पापी, तो सिन क्या होता है? सिन पता है किसी को? SIN सन।
करना।
राइट निकिता। सिन होता है पाप, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर कॉलिंग लाइक सिनफुल पापी, जो पाप करता है। The sinner is always called sin. What, Kuljit?
पाप करने वाले हमेशा पापी कहलाते हैं।
Right. And the last one is? Wait.
हिंदी मीनिंग जागरूक करना।
Can you spell it out? आप इसकी स्पेलिंग बता सकते हैं? कुलजीत, इस वर्ड की स्पेलिंग?
मैम जागरूक करना हिंदी मीनिंग।
स्पेलिंग जो फिफ्थ वन वर्ड आपने बोला है, उसकी स्पेलिंग बता सकते हैं आप? Sorry guys, actually I have some guest at my home, that's why there's some clang is coming, and now I'm turning off my mic.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello, Chaya.
Hello, yeah, Kuljeet.
Are you typing?
Yeah, you can type
Okay.
of example on it. ओके
सफाई के प्रति लोगों को जागरूक करना चाहिए।
या करेक्ट people should work towards cleanliness it means जागरूक होना चाहिए
मीन्स करना भी चाहिए, हो सकता है।
या करेक्ट करना चाहिए होना चाहिए सिंपल you have done 5
The 5 vocabs word I think share with us, and thank you so much for your vocabs word. And Nikita, if you wanna share some word here, so you can. But guys, I'm just want to say the one thing firstly. Actually, I've cleared the topic today, countable or uncountable noun. I think it's enough for today from my side. And Nikita can share the vocabs word. And now I am leaving the class. Okay. So Nikita.
Yes,
Nikita.
yes, ma'am.
You can share 5 vocabs word, unique one with the class, and I'm just leaving. Tomorrow we will do some other topics which we will which helpful for our conversation, for our like speaking. So tomorrow I'll share some other things with you guys, and till then, bye bye. Take care and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. So much. Nikita, continue with your vocabs word.
Okay, ma'am. Could I start?
Nikita, you can start.
The first vocab is escalation, means fastest. समझ में आ रहा है सबको?
निकिता
हाँ बोला तो सही, एस्केलेशन फास्टेस्ट।
ओके फास्टेस्ट हिंदी में क्या है?
एस्केलेशन है, एस्केलेशन कहते हैं, फास्टेस्ट इसका मीनिंग है।
ओके
अब मैं एग्जांपल दे रही, द थ्रेट ऑफ न्यूक्लियर एस्केलेशन रिमेन्स, मतलब
टाइप कर सकती है, टाइप कर ले।
अभी मन नहीं कर रहा बहन।
तो बता दे, फिर ग्रुप में सेंड कर देना टेलीग्राम पे।
ये मैं बता तो रही हूँ, क्या बताना है?
कुछ नहीं है। दूसरा सेंटेंस अब बोल।
दूसरा है शफल, शफल मतलब हाथापाई, ठीक है। A shuffle broke out among people in the crowd,
ओके
फिर है जो थर्ड वन है डिसएंगेजमेंट, मतलब छुटकारा पाना, ठीक है। हेलो हेलो,
ओके ओके ओके
फिर
हिंदी
उसके
में
बाद इसका छुटकारा,
छुटकारा, ठीक है।
हाँ।
फोर्थ वाला क्या है? इसमें सेंटेंस क्या था?
इसमें यार सेंटेंस नहीं बनाया मैंने अभी।
ओके ओके फोर्थ वाला बोल फिर।
और फिर फोर्थ है डीमिलिटराइज, मतलब रिमूव ऑल द मिलिट्री फोर्सेस फ्रॉम द एरिया।
ओके हिंदी में बोल दी।
हिंदी में बोलना नहीं आता है।
मैं तो इंग्लिश में लिखा है, चल ठीक है। सेंटेंस
इसका सेंटेंस में, अरे वो है ना, आजकल न्यूज देख रही होगी तो उसमें क्या आ रहा है कि चाइना ने अपने ट्रूप्स वापस उठा दिए, डीमिलिटराइज कर दिए। हाँ तो वो
हाँ
है,
हाँ
ठीक है।
फिफ्थ फिफ्थ
इंजेन्युअस,
मीनिंग है इसकी?
फ्रैंक और इनोसेंट।
ओके
समझ में आ गया?
आ गया।
हो गया, 5 हो गए।
हाँ
अरे ये सब उसमें यार न्यूज में आ रहे हैं, तब वर्ड्स बताए, वही बताया मैंने। एस्केलेशन भी आ रहा है, शफल भी आ रहा है,
उसमें से देख के बता रही है।
ना अरे ये मेरे को परसों समझ में नहीं आए थे तो मैंने कॉपी में लिख लिए थे ना।
अच्छा
मैंने कहा क्यों ना अपना ज्ञान आपको भी बांटो।
सही है।
लिख लिए तूने?
हाँ लिख लिए।
हाँ बता, पढ़ाई कैसी चल रही है?
अच्छी चल रही है। अपना तो शादी में एंजॉय कर रही है, दोस्तों की शादी में।
अरे यार अब दोस्तों की शादी में नहीं जाएंगे तो हमारी शादी में कौन आएगा?
रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है, रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है।
अच्छा अच्छा, चल ठीक है,
ठीक है।
बाद में बात करते हैं।
ठीक है, ठीक है।
बाय।
बाय बाय।